Hey everyone, my name is James Lawton. I'm the head of DevRel here at Sequence, and today we'll be taking a look at using the Unreal Boilerplate with our embedded wallet to get you started building your game super fast. So I'm going to go ahead and authenticate into sequence.builds, and I'm going to go ahead and just click on New Project. And that'll give me a few different options, and I'll click on the embedded wallet in the Unreal game. And what's really nice about these different projects is it already provides you some configuration variables in order to get you started. So you don't have to go and configure your own embedded wallet. You can just use the example variables we already have configured for you, and that allows you to get started very fast. Go ahead and click on C on GitHub, and that'll launch the GitHub repository. So from here, I'll just go in the GitHub repository, and I'll just download that as a zip file. And once it's done downloading, then I'm going to go ahead and just simply unzip it, put it on my desktop, and then I can go ahead and open it within Unreal. So once it's done building, I'm going to go ahead and play this level, and it'll actually compile that for me, and then it'll show me a GUI that we already have available that you can use as an example. So I'm going to go ahead and type in my email address, and that will allow me to authenticate with the embedded wallet via my email, and it'll send a confirmation code to my email address. So I'm going to go ahead and just type in that one-time password, which will actually authenticate me into this particular game. Once it's done loading, it looks like we were successful, and there we have a non-custodial wallet within an Unreal game. So from here you can see the variety of functions that we have. So we have things like the wallet address, you can see the balance, and you can also do things like sign a message and send transactions. So in this case, what we're going to do is just send a ERC20 transaction, and we'll go ahead and create that all together. We'll send over that transaction, and you can see an example of kind of the logs and exactly what is being pulled along the right-hand side of this particular scene. So it looks like we're successful. You can see the transaction ID there, and then you can also click on the output in the log file if you would like to debug anything or you'd like to see if a transaction failed. But overall, this covers the main functionality that I wanted to show you with the boilerplate, and from here, it's very extendable to include in other aspects of your Unreal game. If you have any questions, we're happy to help, so please feel free to get in touch. Thanks.